घर में घुसकर मारेंगे will soon become a reality. Sending out a stern message, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath has said, if someone tries to attack India, then that person will not be spared and will be dealt with the same action. Listen in.
सुरक्षा, सेवा और सुशासन का जो मॉडल है वह विकास पर आधारित है और सबकी सुरक्षा पर आधारित है। लेकिन अगर कोई सुरक्षा में सेंध लगाने का दुस्साहस करेगा तो उसके लिए जीरो टॉलरेंस की नीति के तहत उसको जिस भाषा में समझेगा उस भाषा में उसका जवाब देने के लिए आज ये नया भारत तैयार है। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में ये नया भारत किसी को छेड़ता नहीं, लेकिन अगर किसी ने छेड़ा है तब उसको छोड़ेगा भी नहीं।
Pradeep Datta as well as Adeep joining us live right now for more on this story. Pradeep, a strong statement in a way coming from UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, a message that India is not going to tolerate terrorism at all, and this is new India. A message to Pakistan, a message to those in India also who still continue to back terror and Pakistan in some way or the other.
Yes, a very strong message coming from Yogi Adityanath after fiery speech by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where he said that mitti mein mila denge. Now Yogi Adityanath saying that we believe in peace, but if anyone will continue with the misadventure, that person will not be spared. So message was quite clear for Pakistan. Ghar mein ghus ke marenge. That has been what has been done earlier in 2016, 2019. Same will be repeated this time too, because they know the perpetrators are putting across the border. It is not about those terrorists who are carrying out attack. Basically, the terrorism is being sponsored from across the border. That's one of the reasons that there's a massive outrage and there's all sorts of preparations are being made. Yesterday only we saw the Chief of Army Staff. He was camping in Kashmir. He met with the army commanders. He tried to find out preparedness of the troops there, and he also tried to boost their morale. And today he met the defense minister in this regard, and he has already informed him about what actually the situation he has seen in Kashmir Valley and how well prepared they are. So the troops are well prepared. Already the politicians have also given them a go-ahead. They are just waiting for green signal. Whenever they will get the green signal, they are definitely going to teach Pakistan a lesson, because already we have seen that because of the coercive diplomacy that has been employed by government of India, that has rattled Pakistan, and that's one of the reasons that we have seen the statement after statement coming from across the border. Sometimes Bilawal Bhutto says that if the water will not flow through Sindh, it will be the blood of the Indians that will be flowing. And sometimes Shahbaz Sharif says that they are ready for the neutral probe. So that clearly indicates that they are somewhere rattled, and it has sent shivers down their spine, because here is a man.
Well, they did not really anticipate that India will be responding in this manner. India will be tinkering with the Indus Water Treaty specifically, which we all know how crucial that is for a country like Pakistan. And spooked Pakistan is now making all these kind of statements. Stay on with us, Pradeep, as well as Adeep.